Long time ago.
And you've never seen it?
I'm Polish, not stupid. My mind.
Go by. Come on. Well. Maybe.
No, could it be?
Yeah, no, yeah, you're quite right. About money.
There's a change.
I realise that in my efforts to rationalise our financial affairs, I might have been somewhat insensitive to other issues, mainly your feelings.
Oh, my having feelings is an issue.
Well, no, obviously.
Good.
I just want us to go back to the way we were before this situation created a rift between us.
Go back to normal.
Exactly, yes.
You know, there was a time I couldn't ever imagine not being with you. And now, I can't imagine staying with you. Going back to the way we were, it's not enough. It's not anymore. I'm sorry. I think when you...
Right. As possible. Otherwise, that'll be